It's now or never. Come hold me tight. Kiss me, my darling. Be mine tonight. Tomorrow will be too late. It's now or never. My love won't wait.
Hi everybody, my name's Troy Hawes, and welcome once again to another edition of my Acoustic Lounge. You know, with the recent passing of Lisa Marie Presley, I got looking again at Elvis Presley's extensive music catalog. Man, the king of rock and roll recorded so many great songs. One of those songs, which has happened to be one of my favorites, is a song called It's Now or Never, and that's the subject of today's guitar tutorial and cover. It's Now or Never was written by three gentlemen, Wally Gold, Aaron Schroeder, and another gentleman named Eduardo De Capa. It's Now or Never peaked at #1 on the Billboard Hot 100 in 1960. Now, before we get started, be sure to click the subscribe button, as I'm always trying to put up new content on a regular basis. In addition, if you like my guitar tutorials and covers, you might actually also like my original music, which can now be purchased or streamed from any one of your favorite online music providers. Simply look up Troy Hawes and you'll find my music there. So what we're going to do first is we're going to look at the chords that you're going to need to know for this great song. And then we're going to perform an acoustic lounge version of It's Now or Never. Afterwards, we'll go in depth and have a closer look at the chord progression. And as always, I'm going to use a great backbeat from my Beat Buddy by Singular Sound. So if you want to learn a great Elvis Presley song, stick around. We're going to get started right now. All right, let's have a look at the chords that you're going to need to know to get through It's Now or Never. There are 5 chords, possibly 6, if you follow exactly how I play this song. And I'll explain that to you here in just a second. Now for the chords, let's have a look. There's an E major chord. There's an F sharp minor bar chord. There's an A. And there's an A minor. Now, the 5th and 6th chord. The song calls for a beautiful chord called a B7. Now, if you're a beginner, I find that B7 can be a little bit complicated. You have an alternative chord here that you could play if you wanted to, and that's simply a B bar chord. That's it. Now, as I play through this song, you'll find that I use a combination of the B7 and the standard B. You can use either or, both work for this particular song. But for the record, the B7 is a better fit. With that, let's get to the cover.
It's now or never. Come hold me tight. Kiss me, my darling. Be mine tonight. Tomorrow will be too late. It's now or never. My love won't wait. When I first saw you, with your smile so tender, my heart was captured, my soul surrendered. just like a willow. We would cry an ocean if we lost true love and sweet devotion. Your lips excite me, let your arms invite me, for who knows when we'll meet again this way. It's now or never. Come on, me tight, kiss me, my darling, be mine tonight. Tomorrow will be too late. It's now or never. My love won't wait. It's now or never. My love won't wait.
All right, let's just dive right into the chord progression. We're going to break this into 3 parts for you. We'll start with a look at the verses, then we'll dive into the chorus, then we'll finish things off with a look at that opening that makes it so identifiable. As soon as somebody plays that, you know what song this is. It's a great opening riff to the tune. With that, let's have a close look now. Start with the verse. All right, starting on the E major chord, the verses go something like this. When I first saw you, with your smile so tender, my heart was captured, my soul surrendered. I spent a lifetime waiting for the right time. Now that you're near, the time is here at last. And then that jumps into the chorus. Let's have a look at it now. Also starting on the E major chord, the chorus goes something like this. It's now or never, come hold me tight, kiss me, my darling, be mine tonight. Tomorrow will be too late. It's now or never. My love won't wait. And that's it. Let's now finish things off with a look at how I play that opening riff, if you will, to this great song. Okay, that opening riff, the intro to the song, which makes it very, very recognizable. The challenge is the speed at which the string is picked. And that's going to take some practice. I'm going to show you a little trick that I do to get that down much easier. But where does this all start? Everything happens on the 2nd B string. And we're going to go way up here. We're going to start on the 12th fret. So from the 12th fret, we're going to go down to the 9th fret, then to the 7th fret, and finish things off on the 5th fret. Sorry if you can see that. So 12, 12, 9, 7, and 5. Now, a little trick. Rather than holding your pick like this with this more pointy end, how you normally hold the pick, what I do to pick fast like that is I actually turn my pick around and pick from this side, this more rounded side. Now, you may choose to do this or not, but I actually find that it helps when picking very, very fast. So, again, starting up here on the 12th fret, and we're basically going to go down to the 9th, 7th, and 5. Let's try that one more time. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Something like that. Practice it, and I know that you'll be able to get it down. And there you have it. It's Now or Never. Of course, performed by the legendary Elvis Presley. Thank you for tuning in to another edition of My Acoustic Lounge. My name is Troy Hawes. Again, if you like my guitar tutorials and covers, please consider subscribing. The more subscribers I've got, the more YouTube will show my videos. Until the next time, keep playing. Music is good for the soul.